Taking a few moments of silence each morning and tuning into your intuition can be incredibly helpful as part of your morning routine. It allows you to connect with your inner self and gain clarity about your desires and intentions for the day. Imagine this: you find a peaceful corner, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath, allowing your body and mind to relax. As you sit in silence, you create a space for your intuition to speak to you. It's like having a heart-to-heart conversation with yourself. Now, you gently pose the question, what do I want today? This simple yet powerful question opens the door to your deepest desires, aspirations, and needs. You let go of external influences and societal expectations and focus solely on what truly matters to you. As you sit there, you may start to notice thoughts, feelings, or images arising within you. Your intuition speaks to you in whispers, nudging you towards what feels right and aligned with your authentic self. It might guide you towards activities that bring you joy, relationships that nourish your soul, or personal growth opportunities that ignite your passion. By listening to your intuition and identifying what you want for the day, you gain a sense of direction and purpose. You become aware of the choices that will support your well-being and personal growth. It's like setting a compass that guides you towards a fulfilling day. This practice is helpful because it allows you to align your actions with your innermost desires and values. Instead of being driven by external demands or simply going through the motions, you empower yourself to make choices that resonate with who you truly are. Additionally, checking in with your intuition each morning fosters self-awareness and self-trust. You begin to recognize and honor your own needs and desires, which strengthens your relationship with yourself. Over time, this helps build confidence and authenticity in all areas of your life. So, why not give it a try? Include a few minutes of silence and intuitive reflection in your morning routine. Sit quietly, ask yourself, what do I want today? And allow your intuition to guide you. Trust that the answers that emerge are unique to you and hold valuable insights. Remember, it's okay if the responses are subtle or take time to surface. The more you practice, the more in tune you'll become with your intuition. Embrace this as a sacred time for self-discovery and personal growth. By incorporating this practice into your morning routine, you'll infuse your day with intention, purpose, and alignment. You'll make choices that nourish your soul and contribute to your overall well-being. So, take a moment, listen to that inner voice, and embark on a day filled with clarity, authenticity, and fulfillment. I'll share with you my own experience of using intuition while sitting in silence as part of my morning ritual. It has been a tremendously beneficial exercise that has enabled me to gain perspective and move past obstacles. Every morning, I make it a point to look for a quiet area where I can relax and have some time to myself. I take a few deep breaths, close my eyes, and let my body and mind unwind. I gently inquire of myself, what do I want today? As I slink into the solitude. Something extraordinary occurs during those times of silent reflection. I began to notice an association between my inner self and my intuition. It feels like I'm speaking with my wisest self on a personal level. I start to experience thoughts, sensations, and visuals that provide me with insightful information. I have gained a great deal of clarity as a result of this practice. I find that when I ask myself what I want, I get insight into my genuine objectives and goals. It is unaffected by outside influences or what people think I should be doing. Instead, it's a strong inner knowledge that directs me toward what matters most to me. This technique has been a game changer on days when I've felt stuck or unsure of what to do next. I was able to go through my mental obstacles and gain the clarity I required, thanks to it. I've been able to pinpoint the steps and choices that will advance my situation by giving myself permission to sit in solitude and pay attention to my intuition.